Too many nights.
Stop.
You already know. All right, we got something fun planned for tomorrow. We were at Walmart looking at lures, and Ryan had the bright idea of let's do a little challenge, but it's not just any challenge. Okay? It's not. What was the idea, Ryan?
Well, seeing as how I don't know what I am, but had the idea. First, we were going to pick each other's lures, and we had to catch a fish with whichever one we picked before we could use anything else. Then I thought, nah, too easy.
Too easy.
So, just pondered down the aisle, and what did we know? Fishing lure keychains. So, we're going to have to do some slight modifications to these bad boys.
Just a little.
And we're going to hopefully rip a lip with them. And then we will go to fishing everyday normal things.
The hope is that, see, this is just like a jerkbait, and he's got a little lipless thing going on. The colors weren't much of an option, but we're hoping that we're going to add hooks, obviously. We're hoping that they have the action that they would have. Who knows if they actually will because they're keychains, but we're going to find out.
It made us feel a little better, though. Ozark Trail makes them. Yeah. And they also have very similar lures that they sell. Pretty much this with hooks.
So we're hoping they're the same thing. They might be, they might not be. We're going to find out.
If they are the same, probably have to find a new challenge.
Yep. Or find one that's not orange. We'll see. But hopefully the next time you see us, we're on the water trying these babies out. We'll be back. Alright, Rhino just took his first cast. Here's how the keychain lure turned out. Not too bad. We'll see what we can do. Oh, did I just cast over you? Wow, I get so much good distance on that thing. I saw it. It looks good though. Where'd you go? Got one. Yes, sir. Wow. Yes. Oh my God.
Does that mean it's over?
No. That means I'm about to throw it back out there. I may have found the ticket. Holy crap.
The challenge is over, right? You caught one.
Well, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I did not expect the challenge to end that early. I thought we were in it for the long haul. But look at that.
Challenge is over.
I have never been prouder.
Bad luck, Sean.
Look at that. How about it? Is your camera rolling, Rhino? Oh. I'm gonna get this boy unhooked. All right. How about that? Got the first fish on the little keychain jerkbait. I am extremely pleased. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Let's do it again. I am stoked still. That was the second spot, and I already eliminated the jerkbait and won the challenge. I might do. I am not fooling. I am not fooling. It's probably a stick. I'm just so excited right now. Nope, stick. See, I'm just all amped now. I'm just jacked. I'm jacked. Ron just doesn't get it at all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna put a white jerkbait on that doesn't float like 95 miles an hour. But that was exciting. Yeah, the wind, I know y'all hear that, but it is nasty. But when we hit 200 subs, you can have this. I will mail it to you. It's yours. Yeah, there it is. I did Rhino a solid by ending the challenge that early. Which you would have done me a solid had you done it, because I would have not expected to catch anything on this. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. I felt better about the Keychain jerkbait than the lipless.
Oh yeah.
A lot better.
The jerkbait's more of a reaction bite.
Yeah, you just yank it around a little bit. There you go, Rhino. Yeah. Get him in.
Clear water.
Yeah, it is. Boom. How about it? Excellent. Oh. Oh, where are we at? Oh, I knew it.
That's the building.
I know, I saw that, and I knew I'd been right there. You know that vacant area up there where that one little building's built? Yeah. I surveyed that and I recognized this. It's like a quadruplex. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Stay down, stay down. Boat flip. Oh.
Probably let some more line out.
I probably should have. I didn't realize. That's a good one.
It is a good one.
All right, fellas. On the white spinnerbait. A little chunk. Little chunk. All right. Please, number 2 for me. I think Ryan's caught 2. 2. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, buddy. Go back home. All right, folks. The last one for me and all of Ryan's have come off a white spinnerbait with like a little paddle tail. Both of them similar like that. Now, Ryan is throwing the Alabama rig, trying to get some deep that he sees. We should be able to get a few more. You got one? Ooh! Yeah, this is a better one. Good job. Look at his eyes. Yes, sir. We needed that. I know. I keep doing that.
Huh?
I keep doing that. I did that on the last one, too. Come here, fella. Alright, guys. It has been a minute, but we got another one. Number 3 for me, I think. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Yes, another one. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. If you made it to this point, thanks for hanging around. And you probably realized that our keychain video, the challenge didn't last that long because the jerkbait keychain actually paid off really fast. Ryan didn't manage to make anything happen on the lipless, but he also gave up as soon as the challenge was over, and to be fair, I did too. because while I did catch one on the jerkbait one, I realized that was not optimal conditions. So we went ahead and threw some other stuff. The main thing that worked today was the white spinnerbait. And what we were both doing was had like a paddle tail swim bait on the back, and Ryan actually figured that out yesterday because he fishes like every day. That was the thing we needed to do, and it worked out. We ended up catching something like 10. I'm not exactly sure, but it was a good day. But long story short, challenge didn't last long. The Keychain, you can catch a fish. Keep out. We'll be back.